guys, back with another video, and now it's time for another Nerf review. This review is on the Nerf rival takedown, which is a rival blaster, so it shoots a lot harder than regular Nerf blasters. And if you're subscribed to his Jules, you probably already saw his review on this, but I wasn't expecting to get this, and I also want to give my own review. So it is a spring-powered 8-round shotgun. So like you take your rival rounds and then you just put them through the top here. If you've ever loaded a rival Chronos, it's very similar to this. And up here are two rival-style rails. So if for some reason you have the red dot and if you want to attach it for some reason, I don't know, or if you just want to be funny, you could maybe attach the hyper canisters here, which will literally not do anything here. So guys, I just also want to point out another fun feature about this is you can shotgun load it. So let's go do this in jamming button. So after you prime the blaster, you're not able to prime it again. So this will override that lock. And hi, Jack. Yeah, Jack just walked by. So yeah, and then you can shotgun load, fire 2 rival rounds at once. It's pretty interesting. So that is basically everything you need. Oh, one thing. There's right here is the grip. Pretty comfortable grip. Also, this blaster does not have slam fire, which when I learned this doesn't have slam fire, I was very surprised because it looks like the rough cut. Like it looks like the rival rough cut, except it's not. It doesn't shoot 2 at once. But no slam fire. Huh? Now time for the fire. Guys, so now I am going to shotgun load this. Jax! Hey, I got. He's a good boy. So yeah, I wanted to put Jax in this because reasons. So yeah, my opinion on the rival takedown. I really enjoy this blaster. I really like it. Just like I really like the prime weight of it. Like I like the pump action and compared to the Chronos. I just like the pump action. So like, if you're looking for something a holster, this won't fit into a holster. But check something like the Chronos style. But if you like this, like one blaster war, definitely check this blaster out. It's very interesting. That's all for this video review. Peace, peoples. Peace, people.